My name is Ashwini. I'm happy with the presentation what you gave today, but I have a concern as a woman and as a Aurovilian. A few weeks before, I was bullied severely with a few outsiders on motorbikes. When I was really shaken that day, I contacted the groups concerned and I didn't get a proper answer. And then I went and spoke to the securities around. They said, sorry, we do not have enough security. For example, from Dana, we cannot stop people from coming inside. Every day, these young people are finding ways to come inside. So today, when you say that it will be only Aurovilians who will be using this road, at the same time you say there are many restaurants and all coming up, I do not feel safe. I do not feel safe for the young people who are here. So I would request for the team, yes, I'm happy about the crown. I'm happy about the growth. But please, just like how out in the outside world, there is a lot of security. Even a woman at 12 o'clock, we can go on the highway because there is police, there is security. I would request that you have security so that we women feel safe. That should be one of the considerations. Thank you.
Thank you, Ashwini, for bringing about this security aspect of in Auroville. This is something which is very important. We have come across few incidences like this in the past, and we are quite concerned about it. We have taken it up with the security service. One important thing what Lavanya could do, and that's where this mobility is a very crucial aspect, is when we have the required radials. I'm not saying all the radials, the required radials, which means we are channelizing the traffic in the radials, through the radials, and which also means we will be able to much better understand the traffic, we will be able to much better educate the people who are coming inside, and definitely if there are any antisocial elements, we would be in a much better position to address them. I think till that is there, I also understand from the security service, it's very difficult to manage and map the whole of Auroville when there are so much of Odai Perambokes coming inside and so many different parts. So ideally what we are also looking at is to consolidate all these things. Once these are consolidated, I think it's very obvious, it's much more easier to manage and do. This is something which Lavanya has been really taking up and is pushing for this direction. This crown, this mobility what we have taken up is all in this way. We hope once this is done, it will be much easier to manage these kinds of incidences and for the best part to even avoid these kind of incidences. Thank you.